Extreme water sports.
Prior to the most time.
Thank you, Jesus. But just look at me. Look at how I'm enjoying it. I used to be scared, but now I am enjoying. Wow!
Everybody happy now. Me want see everybody happy now. Everybody happy now. Oh yeah. Oh.
I got funny hair so like it's nice freak out. And she's bouncy. No. Look at it. Just look at me hair.
Not them house we sad and lonely. Now have no man for hug them up, we keep them warm and cozy. Single man we still a try to raise our youth them holy. Girl, me proud of you, no make them get you down. Safrine you be, a queen you be.
People, here again, Lazy South. Next three. Let's go, baby! Okay, ready?
Yeah, this is good. Come on, this is good. This is good.
Instructed the captain, thumbs up means you're good on the speed. Keep going, thumbs down, you're going to slow down or stop. Let's see you.
Manya, you are going in the middle.
Welcome, look over.
Okay, hold on.
Come over.
Me have me idea. Share it with me brother. Tell him say brother man rate you. We are both one come.
Hi, we are back again. And we're going out again. Oh wow. This is so nice. Alright. So like, we're just going to look mommy here. And we're hoping we don't turn and look daddy here, who's so excited.
Next time billions require me. Them a pray. Them now want see we happy. At the end of the day, the whole of them have to respect me. Everybody happy now. Everybody happy now.
Right, you are right.
Everybody happy.
Bouncing up. Your hair, daddy boy. Yeah. Giddy up. Oh wow. This is the best thing ever. Look at it. Just look at me. Wow. Let's go. And daddy giddy up too. Oh yes, thank you Jesus. Come to Basin right now and enjoy all of this today. Extreme
Water sports.
water sports. Real nice.